Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy A04, this version 3GB RAM and 32GB Intel memory. Look complementation. In complementation we have adapter for charging. Okay, and Type-C cable. Key for SIM slot. In complementation we have. Okay, and now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera LED. On the front side 6.5-inch display. On this side power key and home keys. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. Open settings. About phone, we have Android 12 version UE Core 4.1 Knox 3.8. Close this. Open test Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. We have display. We have CPU MediaTek Helio G3235. This octa-core processor. And GPU Mali G52. Okay, look results. Single core score and multi-core score. And GPU test results. Okay, close this. Open Antutu benchmark. Okay, Antutu score. Close this. And run Demon again GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's do this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.